I'm going to show you how to make Lao Siu Mai meatballs. We like to enjoy them in Banh Mi sandwiches. These Lao meatballs are an adaptation of Chinese Siu Mai dumplings. You can find more information on the ingredients at the end of the video. First, soak 3 shiitake mushrooms for 4 hours in room temperature water or for 1 hour in boiling water. Cut 1 pound of pork shoulder. Lao people often use pork belly, which is fattier and results in softer meatballs. Roughly blend it. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning. Also add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix well. Then add the 3 minced garlic cloves and 1 small finely chopped onion. Squeeze the shiitake mushrooms to remove the water and keep the soaking water to make the broth. It's flavorful and rich in umami. Finely chop the mushrooms and add them to the meat. Mix everything. Form meatballs the size of a tablespoon. I don't press them too much because I want them to remain tender, not compact. Steam them for 20 minutes on high heat. In the meantime, prepare the vegetable pickles that will add rich flavor and crunch to the banh mi sandwiches. Grate 1 carrot, half a cucumber without the core, 2 ounces of black radish. Slice 1/4 of 1 onion and 1 chili. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. Mix everything well. Cut 1 spring onion into thin strips and chop a little cilantro into chunks. The Lao Siu Mai meatballs are ready. You can enjoy them with rice or in a banh mi sandwich. To make the sandwich, each person breaks 3 to 4 meatballs into small pieces and 1 tablespoon of their cooking juice. Then thin the bread. Sprinkle a little chili flakes. Add the pickles and some spring onion and cilantro. Bon appétit! This sandwich, with its multiple textures and flavors, is delicious. It's a perfect example for the evolution and openness of cuisines. The bread comes from French influence, the Siu Mai are Chinese origin, and the preparation as banh mi comes from Vietnam. Vegetable pickles are essential in some dishes. We love them for their acidity, fragrance, and crunchy texture. You can make them with white vinegar. For this recipe, I prepare them just before use, but you can make them in advance and store them in the fridge. Dried shiitake mushrooms are widely used in Chinese, Japanese, and Korean cuisine. Their wonderful woody and smoky aroma intensify through the dehydration process. They enhance the flavors in stir-fries, stews, and soups. Store in an airtight container. You can keep them for years. Maggi seasoning is very popular in Southeast Asia. Its usage is similar to light soy sauce, adding saltiness and umami. It's used in certain marinades, stir-fries, and soups. In many Asian kitchens, you won't find a bottom of Maggi seasoning. Toasted sesame oil is essential and precious. It brings a unique and delicious flavor. It's used in small amounts, so it doesn't overpower the other flavors. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.